starting with tenses. Okay, I hope the higher class students are also there. Now, why do you think I have written let's travel in time? Who can tell me what is the relationship between tenses and this quote, let's travel in time? বাংলাতেও বলতে পারো, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই।
Ma'am, verbs have past tense and present tense and future tense.
ঠিক, verbs past tense, present tense, ঠিক। Prajwal, you're Prajwal, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Sagarika has also raised her hand. Do you want to say anything?
No, ma'am. I wanted to tell the answers.
Okay. So now whoever has raised your hand, unraise your hand so that you can again raise your hand for the new portion. Unraise na korle ager guloi raised hoye thakbe. Okay. So basically I have used this term time because tenses means time. When we are reading a paragraph or a story, okay, when we read fairy tales কি দিয়ে শুরু হয়, কোন ফ্রেজটা দিয়ে শুরু হয়? once upon a time, তাই তো? be it Cinderella, be it Belle and the Beast, the Beauty and the Beast, right? be it Snow White, be it Spider-Man, be it Superman, all of these are very old stories. Your parents were children when these stories were written, or even before that. So what happens when we are reading these stories start with one phrase মানে একটা ছোট্ট সেন্টেন্সের মতো, that is once upon a time. tenses হলো time. tenses থাকে বলেই আমরা সময় বুঝতে পারি, if something has already happened, হয়ে গেছে আগে, or something is happening now, or something is going to happen, পরে হবে, এখনো হয়নি। ঠিক আছে, আমি যখন বলছি তখন you are hearing it আর তুমি বুঝতে পারছো, you are hearing it and you are understanding it. But suppose you have to write a letter to someone, তাকে কি করে বোঝাবে যে যেটা তুমি বলছো সেটা হয়ে গেছে নাকি হবে নাকি হতে চলেছে? তারও তো বুঝতে হবে, তাই তো? in that case আমরা লেখার মধ্যে দিয়ে, through writing and through reading, we use tenses to make the other one or ourselves understand the time, whether it is past, present or future. Clear this much? Now tenses are of 3 types. How many types? Show me in your fingers. 3 types. Exactly. Past, present, future. Okay? So if this is
Ma'am, I know the types.
Okay, who is that? Rajgopal. Okay, tell me.
Ma'am, for present tense, past tense, future tense.
Okay, very good. Past, present and future. So if this is my hand, everyone can see my hand. If this is my past, then আমি আরেকটু এগোলাম, present, এখন, now, and then আমি আরেকটু এগিয়ে গেলাম, দেখো, future. Absolutely. Here? Okay. Okay. Now, this we can do later. Let us look at the past. Okay. Yesterday I walked to school. Everyone can see the bold letters, right? Bold word, walked.
Yes.
Okay. Now, can anybody tell me, is it a regular verb or an irregular verb? We just did it.
Yes, can I say
regular?
Regular.
Anybody who mute yourself. Everyone mute. Okay. Absolutely regular. Anyone who thinks it is irregular? Okay, then let us go to the middle one, the present. I walk to school daily. Now, you can see that I am not adding anything to this word. Okay, this is called the base form of a verb. What is it called? The base form. Verb er onek forms thake. Walk, walked, all of this. Fly, flew, flown. I have written 3 words: fly, flew, flown. The base form, the actual word is fly. তাই তো? The actual word is fly, right? The actual word is fly. In that case, fly টাকে কি বলবো? Base form of the verb. Base form. Okay? Then the base form when I am going to the past changes to flew. Okay? Again, আমি আরো যখন পাস্টে চলে যাচ্ছি তখন কি হচ্ছে? তখন সেটা flown হয়ে যাচ্ছে। তাহলে এটা হলো verb 2, this one is verb 2, this one is verb 3. These are all the names. These are all the names of the verbs. When we learn verbs in detail, we will learn this and we will also look at a list. তাহলে এটা হলো base form, এটা হলো base form. Okay, this is the base form of the verb walk. Clear? এবার যখন আমি আরো পেছনে যাচ্ছি walked হয়ে যাবে ed হয়ে যাবে, তাই তো? যদি আমি তখন will walk হয়ে যাবে. This is how I am changing it, right? Okay, let's go to the next one, the future. Tomorrow I will talk to school. I will walk to school. Tomorrow I will walk to school, right? What does that mean? That I will go, something that has not happened yet, that will happen. এখনো হয়নি, হতে চলেছে। I am using will. I am using the word will, right? I am using the word will to make you understand that something has not happened yet. এখনো হয়নি, হবে, কাল হবে, এক সপ্তাহ পরে হবে, but here the time is already given, that is tomorrow. Sorry for the underlining disaster, but this is how it is. Okay, so tomorrow, it will happen tomorrow. Future tense e amra jokhon kotha bolbo, when we talk about future tense, you will often see that the time is mentioned, whether it is 1 week later, 1 month later, tomorrow, like this. Okay, past tense e eta thake, time is sometimes mentioned. It's yesterday I went to the doctor. A month ago I had a toothache or tooth operation. এগুলো মেনশন থাকে। প্রেজেন্টে মেনশন থাকে না, কারণ প্রেজেন্ট মানে এখন। I can understand that whenever I'm using present tense, it is now. Okay? Now, many of you have learned past, present and future. But what are we going to learn now is present perfect tense. Okay? Present perfect tense ki? এটা একটা ইন্টারেস্টিং। মিউট yourself. পূজা রানা, প্লিজ মিউট yourself. রাজগোপাল, মিউট yourself. Everyone mute yourself. নাহলে বুঝতে পারবে না। This is very interesting and very important also. Okay. So basically, present perfect tense টা কি? An action that has started in the past. Okay? An action that has started in the past, but it is also applicable to the present. এটার মানে কি? Action that happened in the past, but time is not specified. মানে শুরু হয়েছে past, it has started in the past, but it has not ended in the past. It is still valid in the present. Okay, let us look at the example. I have played football a lot this week, which means ধরো আমার ফুটবল খেলা হয়ে গেছে, it has already happened, that's why this past tense is there. Okay, this ed is there. আমার ফুটবল খেলা হয়ে গেছে, কিন্তু আমি যখন এখন বলছি, প্রেজেন্টে দাঁড়িয়ে বলছি যে আমি প্রচুর ফুটবল খেলেছি এই উইকে, মানে ভাবতে পারবে না আমি কত ফুটবল খেলেছি। You can't imagine how much I have played this week, which means at present also this is true, that I have played a lot of football this week, right? Which means at present I am tired. At present I cannot play anymore because I have already played a lot. Now I have to study, I have to go to school, I have to do other work. Right? So something that has already happened in the past, যেটা পাস্টে হয়ে গেছে, কিন্তু সেটা প্রেজেন্টেও ভ্যালিড, কারণ প্রেজেন্টে দাঁড়িয়ে এরকম কিন্তু আমি বলতে পারবো না আমি তো পাস্টে খেলেছি, ওটা হয়ে গেছে, তাই জন্য ওটা আর অ্যাপ্লিকেবল নয়, আমি আবার নতুন করে খেলবো, বলতে পারবো না। বললেই my parents will tell me you have played so much this week, which means it is still applicable, presently applicable. আমি যদি আজকে ফ্রাইডে, আমি যদি থার্সডে সারাদিন খেলে থাকি, ফ্রাইডে কিন্তু my parents will tell me that do not go out to play anymore, it is done, It is enough. Now you sit and study. Which means the fact that something happened in Thursday, it is still affecting me. আমাকে এখনো affect করছে প্রেজেন্টে, এখন ফ্রাইডে, এই আমি বলছি বসে। Understood? Understood? Present perfect tense. We will look at a few more examples. তাহলে আরো ক্লিয়ার হয়ে যাবে। Okay? Now, one more thing that is very, very important, that is when you are learning present perfect tense, you have to learn the structure. Why? Because they will ask you to fill in the blank with present perfect tense. What is the structure? You will write the subjects. Wait, I'll just change the color of the pen. It will be easier. Okay. You will have to write the subject first. What is the subject? I is the subject. Right? Yes? Subject মানে বিষয়, উদ্দেশ্য, উদ্দেশ্য। সাবজেক্ট মানে হলো উদ্দেশ্য। Yes, Rajgopal, yes.
Ma'am, what is simple perfect tense?
Simple perfect tense. This is present perfect tense. Simple. This is simple present perfect tense. When I'm not using ing, that is simple perfect tense.
Okay.
It can be present, past and future. তিনটেই হয়। All three are applicable. Okay. Right now we are actually learning simple present perfect tense because see, I am not using ing. Then it becomes continuous. Anyway, see, the pattern is, how will you write? The pattern is, mute yourself please. Whoever has unmuted, Pooja Rana, please mute yourself. Thank you. Okay, so this is the subject. Subject means whoever is doing the action. What is the action? Played. But before the action, I have to write have or has. See, I have written have or has. Okay, then I have written the verb 3. Verb 3 means with ed. See? But if there was irregular verb like fly, I would have written flown. 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 I told you there are many types of a single verb. We have not learned it in this class because of time. But when we do verbs in detail, we will be learning that. So I will have to write the subject, then has or have. According to the subject, singular subject will have. যদি একের বেশি থাকে, plural থাকে, then I will, singular subject will have has, and plural will have. Okay? Just a minute. Now it is better. Okay? So I have written the subject, then have or has, then the verb, then the object. Object means whoever is receiving the verb. Okay? I have played a lot this week. Played what? Played football. That's why football is the object. Whoever is receiving the verb. This is the verb. Football is the answer to the verb. That what you have played football. Verb 3 is basically another form of the verb played. Play is the word. Now I am changing the word play constantly to make you understand the time. Okay, one of those changes is known as verb 3. Clear? একটুখানি কনফিউজিং লাগতে পারে কারণ আমরা অতটা ডিটেল এখন করতে পারছি না বিকজ ইটস আ স্মার্ট ক্লাস, রাইট? কিন্তু আমরা যখন শুধু ভার্ব টপিকটা করবো, when we do the verb topic, তখন আমরা একদম ভেঙে ভেঙে ইন্ডিভিজুয়ালি করব। আমরা ভার্ব 1, 2, 3 এর লিস্ট দেখবো, কিভাবে কোনটা চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে সেটার উপর ওয়ার্কশিটস করবো, ওগুলো সব হবে।